Salary ni 50% pension ni kahai renai kendriya hapang charsala kendriya mantri sabha wa achukhlaimung khlaimani ulo gosimurukha kendriya hapani ketal samung botang unified pension scheme ketal unified pension scheme ni kahai khoraksa borok 25 year job khlaike retirement ongnani sikang paithakni 12 month ni salary basic pay 50% pension ni kahai manai borok assured family pension by khobja khoraksa sorkari samung khlainani langma choke bini nokni borok pension ni 60% rang manai pensioni kahai abono tuino mantri bokrok sagni ek sandalo post khlai sikya hakotoni mungkuchuko karinani bagai sorkarini samung khlainai rok sal horromoino samung khlaio a pensioni samung botang fologoi remani bagai borok belekhino khap furjaknai sate klaio 10 year job khlaike assured minimum pensioni kahai joto talono 10000 khlai pension mani mano 2025 bisini 1st April ni simi a samung botang jengere jaknai abono tuino tabuk kok salai tongkha Bureau Report Kokkhorang